AXTI stock analysis and stock predictions. Am I buying or am I not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I mean, Thursday was interesting because we saw a 25% increase in price, which is quite sick. Now, I've done 36,000 videos, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and you know, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. That being said, as me just zooming out, I already have my previous proof, like previous drawings here, which I was very open-minded for buying, but all of this is going to get diluted because we punctured through this demand. And to be very frank, I'm not going to be bullish unless I see full candle closes above 262. This is not me being a prick. This is just me following my edge that I've tested for 36,000 videos, right? So just trying to be realistic here. And quite frankly, I mean, this looks cool as quite of a chill stock. Doesn't even have to come this much. I mean, 260 is really not that far. So yes, if I see the double break, then and only then I will look to take things low. If not, it's all good, you know, really don't have to budge or do anything. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, just click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.